How's it going? I'm going in my HBA Funnel Builder. Not sure if I'll complete the funnel, but I just want to show you kind of my workflow with making a funnel, bridge page, etc. with HBA. We're in the back of the Funnel Builder right now, and I'm working on a page for one of my side hustles. So right here, first thing I'll do is you'll see something like this. I'll come here and I'll scroll and I'll click a new section. This is going to be for Savings Highway Global. If you want to know more information, I'll leave that below on this as well. So you guys want to separate your funnels if it's different. And then today we're looking for something like a sales page. I think this is something I'll send to my list for now. So you can either come in here to sales pages, and they already have a lot of nice done for you sales pages, or you can start from scratch. So since this video is only going to be around, it's going to be 5 minutes. I'm going to probably sit here for most of the time and see which one I like. But this is just going to be a simple page. You can add code to it as well. But I just want to do a simple HBA page. And I actually probably will pause this until I pick a page I like. I actually came down to all-in-one digital businesses, and I really like this one. You can click preview. I really like this one. One thing you can also do is make sure you see it on mobile. Pretty nice. And we just have to go in here and change and delete a little bit. So we're going to click select. This page name is going to show when you hyperlink this on social media. So make sure it doesn't give away the business right away. Just give it something generic. So let's do $20 weekly. Put that. Could put any name, make it more SEO optimized. I'll just come back and do that so the video stays short. So this is the video. So a software that we're using to host the video to make it more professional so it looks like this is going to be bunny.net, and I'll actually link that below if I might have an affiliate link. So we're using this. So we're gonna go to stream. All right, so my video's up. So we're gonna come here. We're gonna just not autoplay. And we're gonna grab, where is it? We're gonna make sure everything's right. We're gonna grab this embed. We're gonna double click this, fill it in here. So now my video is here. Professional has a player, and we're just gonna go and switch everything up. Much change some stuff. I want to hyperlink this to my sales page. You can change the color if you want. Just click it. It's actually being weird. If it doesn't change, I'll probably just leave it for this video. Yeah, let me just pause. So we just have to add, I'm just going to leave the text for the video so we can add images. Just add this, and you just pretty much come in here and delete whatever you don't need. This is nice. I'm just going to delete it. I don't really need it. Then you just put in whatever you want, and right here we already have, just with this template, we already have a nice looking website, because it's just a simple video explaining a few steps, and I just want people to pretty much click 2 buttons, get their product, and then it'll take them to the sales page. And that's how simple the builder is, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one.